Hello everyone, this is me Tenzin Dorje, and in this video I'm going to talk about two different mathematical tricks. And here, as you can see, the first trick I'm going to talk about: how can you calculate the day of your date of birth. It may seem like tough, right? But after describing the method which I'm going to show, it make it a piece of cake for you. So actually we are going to use the method given by Sir Burker Palser and Marty Rose, and as you can see here, month table and year table, and then series for even and odd. And as you can see there in the month table, different months corresponds to different numbers. As you can see here, January corresponds to 6, February to 2, March to 2, and here till December. And in the year table, ranging from 1900 to 2010, it all refers to different numbers. And in the even number, as you can see here, in even and odd number, you can see different combinations. So firstly, let's take one example. So let me take 29th March 1965. So this is the date of birth. Now I'm going to calculate the day of the date of birth. Firstly, you need to take the date. Here the date is 29, and the month here is March, and you should refer to the month table. And here March corresponds to 2, so you should add 2 here, which is equals to 30, 31. And then you should add 31 plus, and as you can see here, it is 1965, which means that it is in 1960s. And now you should refer to the year table. Here you can see 1960, and the number 6 corresponds to 1960, so you should add 6 here, 1966 here. You will get 6, 7, 37. Now, as you can see here in the year 1, 1965, the last number is 5, so you should add 5 here. Now it becomes 37 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, that's 42. Yeah, now here we've got 42, and as you can see here, 1965 means it's a decade of even. For example, if it was 1955, then you should refer to the odd one. And for example, here it is 1960s, that means the decade is referring to even. And for example, if it was 1955, then it would be 50s, then you should refer to the odd, right? So it's 1965, that means it even, so you should refer to the even series. And as you can see here, it's 1965. You should look at the last number. The last number is 5, so you should refer to the even number, and you should find the number 5 here in black color. 5, and 5 corresponds to 1, so you should add 1 here. That's equals to 43. Now the final step, you should divide 43 by 7. That's equals to 43 by 7. 7 6 of 42. You will get left 1, and 1 is your answer. Now take a count. For example, start from Monday. Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6, and Sunday 7. And here you should look at the reminder. Reminder is 1, so it corresponds to Monday. So the day of the birth is Monday. So let me check in Google. It's 1965, March 29. So here, as you can also see in the Google, it shows Monday. So now I think you can take more examples and do it on your own. And after doing few examples, I think you will also master this method. So now the second method I'm going to talk about is how to add consecutive natural numbers starting from 1. As you can see here, for example, if you get a number like starting from 1, the number should be starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and till any any number. For example, if one gives you a number like add number 1 to 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So as you can see here, there are 5 numbers, right? So we are going to use the method, this formula. So n plus 1 divided by 2. So as you can see here that there are 5 numbers, so you should replace n by 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. You can see that 5 plus 1 will come out to be 6 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6, that is 5 into 3, that is 15. The answer is 15. So as you can see, that was a quick method. So let me check it by calculator to make sure that it's correct. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. You can see the answer is coming out to 15. So let me take one more example. So that was a short number. Now if you get long lengthier one, for example like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So adding all this number in your mind would be tough. So that's why you can use this formula. n plus 1 divided by 2. And here you can see that there are 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you should replace the n by 10. 10, 10 plus 1, 10, 2. 10 plus 1 comes out to be 11 divided by 2. 2 5 is 10, 11 5 is 55. The answer comes out to be 55. So as you can see, that was quick. So let me check it by calculator to make it sure. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. The answer comes out to be 55.